everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is KUBBIELOVE. You can call me Kubi or Kubes, whatever you like. So this is my first glam for the year, and basically I tried to go nude, you know, that under smoky eye type look. I paired it off with nude lips and red lips. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you are not already. Thank you. To create this nude look, I'm using these 4 colors from my favorite palette, Morphe 35O. I'm sweeping the lightest orange across my eyelid. Then I'm taking the darker orange and applying that in my crease and making sure to blend everything out. After that, I went into the lightest brown and I'm applying that all over my lid and making sure to connect it with the oranges. Next, I'm taking the light brown shade and applying it to the outer corners of my eye. It's not really that obvious. I just want it to look a little bit more brown. To work on my face, I'm using these 3 foundations by Maybelline in order of right to left. I'm using the darkest shade there, 355 Mocha, as my foundation. As you can see, I'm applying it very lightly because I'm actually going for that very light coverage look. I know a few people might say, oh, the foundation doesn't match my neck, but I'm actually matching the foundation to my chest and other parts of my body because unfortunately my neck is the darkest part of my body. So to conceal, I'm using 355. It's the second to lightest, and then on top of that I'm applying 330. I'm applying it under my eye and my forehead, and later on I apply it on my chin. I'm blending everything out using a damp beauty blender. After that, I apply some Sasha setting powder, and I'm not baking, I just press it in. Can you guess the song I'm singing? For my forehead, to blend out, I'm using my foundation brush. To bronze, I'm using my CoverGirl Queen bronzer in the shade Q120, and I'm using a big powder brush to apply this. I'm taking a smaller brush to contour my nose using the same bronzer. Now this is the main highlighter I'm going to be using for this look. It is the Artist Couture Le Bronze collab with Jackie Aina. I probably said that wrong, but first of all, the first layer of highlight that I'm applying is Urban Decay's Naked Illuminated highlighter, and this is in the shade Lit. On top of that, I'm applying Le Bronze, which is Jackie Aina's collab with Artist Couture. Y'all, look at this glow! I'm also going to use Le Bronze to highlight my brow bone. For my waterline, I'm using a black eye pencil to line it, and I'm also making sure I'm putting that under my lashes. After that, I'm taking an angled brush and sort of winging out that bottom liner. And then I'm smoking it out a little. I'm using my Ulta Beauty Plush Drama Mascara for my under eye, and I also applied a little bit on my lashes. So guys, these are the 3 lipstick looks that I picked that could go with this look. You can either go nude, red matte, or red glossy if you're looking to be very extra. You can tell me which lip combination you think goes with the look best, and that is it guys for this video. I will see you in my next video.